Welcome back to the Loyan. So this is the next lecture in the series of schools of Hindu law. We know there are two types of schools under the Hindu law. We are done with the Mitakshara school of Hindu law, and the second one is Dayabhaga. We are done with both the schools. So today is a very interesting lecture because we have to understand four basic properties or four basic fundamentals under the Mitakshara and Dayabhaga. So first one is Pinda and Sapinda. So what is it? What is Pinda? What is Sapinda? We'll see in the subsequent lectures. Second is the degree of the blood relation which matters, or the service to the deceased what prevails. Okay. So the third point is succession and partition. What happens in Mitakshara? What happens in Dayabhaga? And the fourth point will be co-parsonary. Chalo, let's get going with the first point, that is Pinda and Sapinda. So as we know, there are two types of schools, Mitakshara and Dayabhaga. I have demarcated clearly. Left side is Mitakshara, right side is Dayabhaga. So what is Pinda in Mitakshara? In Mitakshara, Pinda means a part of the body. So when a person is born in a family, he shares the particle of the same body. मतलब ये है कि जब एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, he shares the some DNA of mother and some DNA of father, right? So he shares particles of the same body. So you can see I have shown a picture where a baby is in the womb. Okay, so in Mitakshara, when a person is born in a family, he'll be called as a Sapinda of the family. In Dayabhaga, Pinda literally means rice ball or rice cake. जो rice से बना हुआ ball होता है ना, which is used for the Shraddha purpose. So who is Sapinda in Dayabhaga? The person who offers rice ball at the time of Shraddha ceremony. So in Dayabhaga schools, when someone dies, and if a person offers the last rituals in terms of a rice ball, that person will be called as a Sapinda. So एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, एग्जैक्ट एग्जांपल से समझते हैं मिताक्षरा और दयाभागा में कैसे. देखो, वी नो दिस इज द पिक्चर फ्रॉम बागबान. व्हाट हैपेंस इन बागबान? अमिताभ बच्चन जी है, वो बैंक में नौकरी करते हैं और ठीक शाम 6 बजे घर पे आते हैं तो उनकी वाइफ दरवाज़ा खोलती है, उनके लिए चाय देती है ना. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. तो बस हम भी ऐसे ही करते हैं आप लोगों के लिए. एवरी डे 7 PM वी put videos for you, so we expect that you like them, subscribe them and share with them. Okay, let's move on. So ये जो अमिताभ जी है, इनके 4 बेटे होते हैं. So they are born into that family, or they are the son of Amitabh Bachchan and Hema Malini ji from the film Bagban. So in terms of Mitakshara, they will be called as Sapinda of the family. Okay, because they have taken birth into that family. जिन लोगों ने उस फैमिली में जन्म लिया है, दे विल बी कॉल्ड एज सपिंडा ऑफ द फैमिली. सो आगे जाके फिर वो सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, अमिताभ बच्चन और हेमा मालिनी जी. सो जस्ट कंसिडर अ पार्ट आफ्टर द इंटरवल. ओके, फिर ऑल ऑफ ए सडन उनको उनका एक बेटा मिल जाता है जिसका नाम है सलमान खान. ठीक है, तो जस्ट इमेजिन अ सिचुएशन इफ अमिताभ बच्चन डाइज एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द मूवी. सो Salman Khan will be offering the rice ball as a Shraddha ceremony of Amitabh Bachchan. So in Dayabhaga, in this case, if Salman Khan goes for the Shraddha or he offers the Shraddha of Amitabh Bachchan, he will be called as a Sapinda. So it is not necessary कि Salman Khan उनके family में जन्म लिया है या नहीं लिया है, right? So in case of Dayabhaga, Sapinda is the person who offers the rice ball. सो जस्ट एक ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को होमवर्क के लिए दे देता हूँ. द क्वेश्चन इज, कैन सलमान खान, द रियल लाइफ सलमान खान जो हम जानते हैं बीइंग ह्यूमन, कैन ही डू द पिंडदान ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन, द रियल लाइफ अमिताभ बच्चन, नॉट फ्रॉम द मूवी वी आर टॉकिंग राइट नाउ. ओके, इन रियल लाइफ कैन सलमान खान गो फॉर द श्राद्धा और ही ऑफर द पिंडदान ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू गाइज. आंसर इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. लेट्स मूव ऑन. सेकेंड पॉइंट in this property is degree of the blood relation that matters, or the service to the deceased that matters. Let's consider in the first case, that is Mitakshara. डिग्री ऑफ द ब्लड रिलेशन दैट मैटर्स. इन मिताक्षरा स्कूल आपका सामने वाले से खून का रिश्ता क्या है दैट मैटर्स. हाउ? चलो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. ये हमारे बाबूजी है फ्रॉम द मूवी हम साथ साथ है. ओके, इनके 4 बच्चे होते हैं, 3 बेटे 1 बेटी. तो मूवी में और 3-4 छोटे बच्चे भी दिखाए हैं. सो दीज आर द, उसमें से जो जो छोटी लड़की है वो बाबूजी के लड़की की लड़की है. ठीक है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द मूवी बाबूजी की जब जो बड़े बेटे होते हैं उनको भी एक बच्चा हो जाता है. सो जो बेटे का लड़का है या लड़की है he'll be called as agnet. ओके, तो बेटे का जो लड़का है he'll be called as agnet और बेटी की जो लड़की है या लड़का है he'll be called as cognate. So in Mitakshara school blood relation matters. So agnet is the closest blood relative than the cognates. Okay, so in terms of Mitakshara preference is always given to agnates over cognates. So जो बेटे का लड़का है he'll be given preferences over बेटी का लड़का या बेटी की लड़की. Okay, so this is the property of Mitakshara school. In Daya Bhaga blood relation hardly matters, but whatever service has been offered to the deceased that will prevail. तो इन मिताक्षरा खून का रिश्ता था, इन दया भागा इट इज दिल का रिश्ता, या फिर वी कैन से जो सेवा करेगा उसको फल मिलेगा. कैसे? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू कि सलमान खान इज नॉट अ खून का रिश्ता, स्टिल ही ऑफर्स द पिंडदान ऑफ द अमिताभ बच्चन, सो ही विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ सपिंडा, सो he will prevail or he'll get the property of Amitabh Bachchan in Daya Bhaga school. Okay, so law of succession is for the person who serves the pindadan of the disease matlab who is died. Okay, if Amitabh Bachchan dies then Salman Khan will offer the pindadan, है ना. At that point of time the law of succession will pass to the sapinda. So in this case it can be agnet or cognate, but I have already told you in West Bengal region there is a Daya Bhaga school, right, and they are already reformed school. They are much more rational. So most of the cases in Bengal region cognates ही prevail करते हैं. So that is not the case with the Mitakshara. In Mitakshara we have seen it is the agnates prevail करेंगे, बेटे का लड़का. Okay, in Daya Bhaga beti ka ladka can also prevail. So this was the second property. Now let's move on for the third property. That third property is succession or partition. So what will happen in terms of succession in case of Mitakshara? We have already seen it is inheritance by birth. If a person is born into the family he'll get the succession. So जन्म से आपको अधिकार मिलेगा, है ना. So if in a joint family or if there is a joint family everyone is a co-owner. Why? Because everyone is blood relative. और जो एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा है उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन के चारों बेटे को ओनर होंगे. क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर बोर्न इनटू द सेम फैमिली. ओके, in case of Daya Bhaga law of inheritance is not by birth but by succession. So whoever offers the pindadan he'll get the succession. सो जन्म से नहीं, लेकिन who will offer the श्राद्ध उससे उसका अधिकार बनेगा, है ना. सो इन केस ऑफ दया भागा who will get the succession or who will succeed the property? A son or anyone to claim a property, his father or any prior owner must be diseased or disabled. इसका अर्थ ये है जो भी प्रॉपर्टी का ओनर होगा, राइट नाउ इफ वी कंसिडर द अमिताभ बच्चन इज द प्रॉपर्टी ओनर, अनलेस एंड अंटिल ही डाइज, जब तक वो मर नहीं जाते या फिर जब तक वो फंक्शन करने के लिए डिसेबल नहीं होते तब तक नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी होल्डर नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, बट दैट इज नॉट द केस विद द मिताक्षरा. इन मिताक्षरा इवन इफ द प्रॉपर्टी होल्डर और द अमिताभ बच्चन इज अलाइव, स्टिल हिज 4 sons are co-owner in the property. They are the co-parcenary. So what property they will include in Mitakshara? it will be ancestral as well as self acquired property. So ये क्या फंडा है, ये बाद में हम जब पार्टीशन देखेंगे, that time we'll discuss ancestral self acquired property कैसे we deal with. And in case of Daya Bhaga, it is only self acquired property. Let's move on to the fourth point, that is co-parsonary. उत्तराधिकारी कौन कौन बनेगा, we already know the thing. So in case of मिताक्षरा, everyone is a co-owner because अमिताभ बच्चन और उनके चारों बेटे उस फैमिली में उन्होंने जन्म लिया है. So everyone is a co-owner. So that's not a case in a Daya Bhaga. Unless and until Amitabh Bachchan dies or he is not able to function, no one can be owner. Only Amitabh Bachchan can be owner. So owner must be deceased. In case of Mitakshara, only male member can be co-parsonary. In case of Daya Bhaga, it is, I have already told you, it is a very reformative school. So male as well as female co-parsonary there. In Bengal region, predominantly female ही prevail करेंगे. कैसे? Because of the Daya Bhaga school. So it is orthodox school, it is reformed school. So that's it for the today's lecture. But there is one disclaimer. After 2005 amendment, there are some changes in the effect of amendments after the amendment in the Hindu Succession Act. So जो हम अभी ये बोल रहे हैं मिताक्षरा में only male co-parsonary, just understand this thing for the concept point of view right now. So what changes have been brought under the amendment, वो at the time of Hindu Succession Act we'll see. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.